knew there was a reason I came here tonight.
No, you had good timing.
Yeah, I had a feeling. Dude, being a member of the yacht club has really opened things up for us. Hasn't it?
Yeah, I agree. We didn't have a boat to do it.
Yeah, not really.
A jet boat.
Yeah, right, exactly. Definitely not my boat. You're fucking killing. I'm saying 20 grand at least. Maybe 30. Can't be cheap.
That's cool looking.
Whoa! You're getting serious now.
Big flares.
Yeah, those are bitchin'.
Napalm.
Yeah.
Claymores. Patties.
Yeah.
Patties of the Chicanos.
Patties and the Chicanos.
You don't know what I mean, huh?
With the lying chatter grunt. Yeah, it's
Well,
fucking
pyrotechnic guy.
yeah, it's a choreography, man.
Yeah, they put this.
Oh hell yeah! No, they put a lot of thought into it. No doubt about it. Dude, this is more than Disney.
Yeah.
I've been going for 10 minutes on this camera. So it's been like 15 so far. Although Disney does go for like a half hour. Obviously we were very wrong.
We're out of here.
We're out of here. That sucked.
We wouldn't see them from the marina though, Deb. Nah.
You don't think so?
Nah, that's way back there.
Yeah, they're not.
high
They're
one.
not very high. That's true.
Yeah, I saw it. You would see those probably.
Yeah, you need to be out in it. America! Like to shoot shit off! That was definitely worth the price of admission. Look at all the smoke. Smoke in the air. It's chaos. Pure chaos. Now 1,000 boats are going to try and get out of here in the dark. We're all going to die.
Look at that thing's got like different color neon on it.
Yeah, that's bitchin'.
Changing colors.
Yeah. Come on, zoom in, motherfucker.
Get that white vest.
Yeah, what? Dude, we're lagging behind. Look at this guy. Neon shit. No, it's not neon. It's like one of those rope things, I bet.
It looks like neon.
Badass. Look at this dude over here.
The nautical lighting has changed.
Look at that dude. That's the pontoon boat.
Yeah,
Look at that
that's
big
a
old.
little mud.
It's a big fluorescent, I think. We're surrounded by insane people in the dark. And now everybody's
20-minute deal every bit. Huh?
Now everybody's gonna. Oh no, yeah, it was 20 full minutes.
That means $20,000.
At least 20,000. Dude, that was at least $20,000. Are you kidding me, dude? If my shit cost 150 bucks, then that was 20,000. Yeah, it's. See, dude, look with the video camera, I can't even catch that smoke. Look at that smoke, dude.
Yeah. Cloud.
Smoke. It's a cloud of smoke.
Yeah.
All right, well that was it. Nice and dark.